The mission. I3DL is dedicated to raise technology awareness and technical skills standards in the academia and industries, as well as in the whole society. I3DL certification programs enable individuals and organizations to systematically assess, acquire, develop and certify their expertise in the use and further development of 3D technologies. I3DL is the world's leading 3D tech skills certification. Possible options of the I3DL certification are Basic, Core, Essential, Advanced, and Certified Trainer levels. Basic level is the first one. You can simply get it by passing 2 basic modules. They are very practical choices to get started with 3D printing and learn how to operate 3D printers. This is also recommended if you want to buy a 3D printer and not sure which option you should go for. Core level requires passing 4 modules, 2 basic and 2 advanced modules. This would be an option to get started with a couple of advanced modules and get expertise in specific fields and optimize the quality of your results as you may need it in your application. Essential level requires passing 6 modules, 2 basic, 3 advanced or professional modules and 1 project module. This certification level is the highly recommended milestone, and it already opens up your way to become a 3D printing expert, use 3D printing for your career or business, or become a basic level trainer once you pass 2 didactic modules. Passing the project modules guarantees that you can practically use the knowledge in a project. Advanced level, you can reach this level after passing at least 10 modules including a project. It is a perfect path to become a multidisciplinary expert and consultant in 3D printing, and opens up the option for you toward becoming a 3D printing trainer. Certified trainer. This is your milestone to become an independent 3D printing consultant, and an accredited trainer. For this you have to pass at least 12 modules from all offered modules, plus additional 2 didactic modules for teaching techniques in the framework of 3rd generation university style. So you can perfectly integrate research, development, innovation, and entrepreneurship in teaching. So at the end you can train 3D printing experts who create jobs for themselves and their societies. A frequent question is how fast I can get to highest level. Well, theoretically, you can start now, and you will reach the highest level within approximately 3 to 6 months of full-time training. Of course, if you have the required resources, and if you have the willingness and motivation to reach these qualities. Exams, scoring, and evaluation criteria. Whether you attended in an online I3DL course, or an I3DL workshop organized by partner organizations, or even if you have already the required practical knowledge, then you can go through the exam to prove your expertise, and get the certification. The I3DL exam is an individual exam and evaluation of each module. You can bring the records of your relevant learning in past projects. Basic criteria and scores include theoretical, experimental, ICT and innovation. The theoretical score shows the general knowledge and understanding of methods, theories, concepts, materials and process mechanisms used in every module. The experimental score includes the practical expertise in projects, quality of items produced, and capability to troubleshooting, debugging and maintenance of the system, as well as the practical expertise in building complete 3D printing systems, robots, or other devices introduced in each module. The ICT score reflects the IT, software, and communication skills. Obviously this includes all software and programming skills used in various modules. The innovation score shows how an individual goes beyond the state of the art and produces something new compared to everything else already available. This also indicates your deep understanding of new materials and structures, new designs and functions, new business models and value proposition, multidisciplinary and social impacts, added value in supply chain, and novelty aspects in each module. Some of advanced and professional modules have other criteria such as academic score, R&D score, and didactic score. Now it's time for you to get started with the 3D printing and I3DL. Get further information on www.i3dl.org.